Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see the Unit 1 Geometry Area and Exercise 1.2. In my previous video I explained about perimeter and Exercise 1.1. That link I was given in my description. Please go through that one. First we will see what is area. Area can be defined as the space occupied by a flat shape or the surface of an object. See here, there is a 2D shape. The total distance around this shape is called its perimeter, and the space occupied by this shape is called its area. The unit denoted for the area of an object is square units. Example, square centimeter, square meter or square kilometer. We can find out the area of an object by using the unit square method or by using the formula. First method, finding area using unit squares. See here, there is a space which is in rectangular shape. Now we have to find out the area of this space. To find out the area of this space, first we have to divide this space into unit squares. Unit squares is nothing but the length and width of that square is equal to 1 centimeter. Then that square is called a unit square. Now the rectangle have created 2 rows of 4 squares each, which means the length of the rectangle is 4 centimeter and the breadth of the rectangle is 2 centimeter. Now count how many unit square boxes in this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Totally 8 square boxes is there. So, the number of unit squares formed are the same as the product of the length and breadth of the rectangle. So, area equal to 4 centimeter into 2 centimeter is equal to 8 square centimeter or centimeter square. But sometimes dividing the square or rectangle into unit squares is tough. So, we are having formula to find out the area of an object or space. Formula for the area of a rectangle. See, there is a rectangular shape whose sides are length and breadth. Then the area of the rectangle equal to length into breadth. When we multiply the value of length and breadth, we will get the area of that rectangular shape. Formula for the area of a square. There is a square object whose side is equal to side. And we know square contains all the sides are equal. So, the area of the square equal to side into side. When we multiply any two side values, then we get the area of that square. Exercise 1.2. The length of the side of each square is given below. Find its area. See here, in this question, they gave the length of one side of each square and we have to find out the area of that square. First sum, 10 meters. To find out the area of that square, first we have to write down length of side equal to 10 meter and formula for area of square equal to side into side. Now substitute the above value in this formula. 10 meter into 10 meter. 10 tens are 100 square meter or meter square. Second sum, if the length of each side of square is 5 centimeter, then find its area. So, length of side equal to 5 centimeter and area of square equal to side into side. Substitute the value in this formula is equal to 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter 5 5s are 25 square centimeter or centimeter square. Third sum, if the side of each square is 15 meters, find out what is its area. So write down length of side equal to 15 meter and formula for area of a square equal to side into side is equal to 15 meter into 15 meter is equal to 225 square meter. Fourth sum, if the side of each square is 16 centimeter, then what is its area? To find out the area, again we have to write length of side equal to 16 centimeter and the formula for area of square equal to side into side. Substitute the side value in this. 16 centimeter into 16 centimeter is equal to 256 square centimeter. Second sum, find the area of the following rectangles. See here, in this section, they gave the length and breadth of the rectangle and we have to find out the area of that rectangle. So first one is length of rectangle equal to 6 centimeter and the breadth of rectangle equal to 3 centimeter. Then what is its area? To find out the area, first write down the measurements. Length equal to 6 centimeter, breadth equal to 3 centimeter and area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth. Substitute the values in this formula is equal to 6 centimeter into 3 centimeter. 6 3s are 18 square centimeter. Second one, length of rectangle equal to 7 meter and breadth of rectangle equal to 4 meter. Find its area. Write down the measurements. Length equal to 7 meter, breadth equal to 4 meter. Area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth is equal to 7 meter into 4 meter. 7 4s are 28 square meter. Third sum, if length of rectangle equal to 8 centimeter and breadth of rectangle equal to 5 centimeter, find its area. So write down the measurements. Length equal to 8 centimeter and breadth equal to 5 centimeter. And the formula for area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth is equal to 8 centimeter into 5 centimeter. 8 5s are 40 square centimeter. Now fourth sum, if the length of a rectangle equal to 9 meter and breadth of a rectangle equal to 6 meter, find its area. To find out the area, first write down the measurements. Length equal to 9 meter and breadth equal to 6 meter. Area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth. Substitute the values is equal to 9 meter into 6 meter. 9 6 are 54 square meter. If the cost of 1 square meter of a plot is 800 rupees, then find the total cost of the plot, that is 15 meter long and 10 meter breadth. See here, there is a plot which is in rectangular shape and the measurement of that plot is 15 meter long and 10 meter breadth. And one more information given in this question, that is the cost of 1 square meter of that plot is 800 rupees. Now we have to find out what is the total cost of that plot. To find out the total cost, first we have to find out what is the total area of that plot. To find out the area of that plot, first write down measurements. Length of plot equal to 15 meter and breadth of plot equal to 10 meter. Now area of a plot equal to length into breadth. 15 meter into 10 meter is equal to 150 square meter. So the area of a plot equal to 150 square meter. And we know cost of 1 square meter of plot equal to 800 rupees. Now the total cost of plot equal to 150 into 800. So the total cost of a plot equal to 1,20,000. Fourth sum. The side of a square is 6 cm. The length of a rectangle is 10 cm and its breadth is 4 cm. Find the perimeter and area of both the square and rectangle. See, in this question, they gave the measurement of length of one side of a square and similarly measurement of rectangle, which means length and breadth of rectangle. Based on these measurements, we have to find out perimeter and area of both the square and rectangles. So first we will find the perimeter and area of square. Then we will find out perimeter and area of a rectangle. Okay. Length of one side of a square equal to 6 cm. Now write down the formula. Perimeter of a square equal to 4 into side. Substitute the value of side in this formula. 4 into 6 cm. 4 6 are 24 cm. So perimeter of a square is 24 cm. Now area of a square equal to side into side. Substitute the value of side. Then 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36 square centimeter. Now we find out the perimeter and area of a square. Now we have to find out the perimeter and area of a rectangle. So write down the measurement of rectangle. Length equal to 10 cm and breadth equal to 4 cm. And the formula for perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Now substitute the values in this. 2 into 10 plus 2 into 4 is equal to 2 tens are 20 plus 2 fours are 8 cm. When we add 20 plus 8, 28 cm. So the perimeter of a rectangle equal to 28 cm. Similarly, area of rectangle equal to length into breadth is equal to 10 into 4. 10 fours are 40 square centimeter. Now we find out perimeter and area of both square and rectangle. Fifth sum. What will be the labor cost of laying the floor of an assembly hall which is 14 meter long and 10 meter breadth if the cost of laying is 60 rupees per square meter? See here, there is one assembly hall and we have to lay the floor for that hall, and the labor cost of flooring 1 square meter equal to 60 rupees. And we have to find out the total labor cost of laying the whole floor in that hall. To find out that one, first write down what are the measurements given in the question. So length of hall equal to 14 meter and breadth of hall equal to 10 meter. To find out the total cost, first we have to find out area of that hall. So find out area of an assembly hall equal to length into breadth is equal to 14 meter into 10 meter. 14 tens are 140 square meter. Now we got the area of an assembly hall, that is 140 square meter. Now labor cost of laying floor per square meter equal to 60 rupees. Then the total labor cost for floor equal to 140 into 60 is equal to 8,400 rupees. So the total labor cost to laying a floor in that assembly hall is 8,400 rupees. To find out the labor cost or to find out the cost of any place, first we have to find out the area of that place. Okay. Hope you understand how to find out the area of an object or place. Thank you.
Thank you for watching, friends. Hope you like the video. Please like,